join me in the garage again for another video on the Mini. Today I'm going to try and get a bit done to the bulkhead, because yesterday finished up the subframe, so got all of this welded up. Pretty beefy welds, but I need it to be strong. That one, extremely beefy weld. But I was just trying to get the subframe as strong as possible. Got that bit down there welded too. So I was actually thinking this subframe is going to be really heavy, but to be honest, I think it's about the same weight as a standard mini subframe. So that's pretty good, because I was thinking it was going to be about twice the weight of it, just with all the different brackets that I've been adding onto it. The engine, I'm not really sure the weight of the engine compared to the standard 1275, but should still have some decent handling characteristics that the Mini's always had. But today I want to work on this part here, so I'll just trim this here, trim it to that side and fold it over and weld it. Still need to cut the plate for the back of it and weld all around here, smooth it up, weld all of this up as well, and yep, see how far along I can get. So this is what I've got done so far. Just got welded round here, cut the wee plates for in there, and just folded that flap over and plug welded it, as well as welding right along the seam. And already, just with doing that, it's made it a lot stronger. So once the back plate is in it, it'll be a lot stronger again. Still kind of unsure if I should try and strengthen this somehow. Obviously I've cut this piece of box out here that's meant to flow into that. I just don't know if I've cut out the strength for the front end. Obviously the subframe will bolt in at the tower bolts, so that should keep it nice and strong, but I don't know if I could come up with another way just to brace that. But now I'm going to try and find a bit of cardboard I can use as a template that's big enough, and try and get that back plate cut. bulkhead box is complete. So that's it, fully welded, and it's still pretty hot, but it's strong, still to smooth the welds off, but don't think it looks too bad. So yesterday I managed to finish the bulkhead box, got that fully welded, still to dress some of the welds, and I've got some seam sealer. I'm going to put seam sealer around the full lot of it. I've still to weld these bits here, so it's just the seam where I've cut the inner wing, so I'm going to weld them both sides, and still to weld this piece up here, and I'm going to drill and tap this bit of metal that holds the bonnet latch so that I can actually remove that. I've done that on that side, drilled and tapped it, and then I've just welded 8mm bolts in there. So that's what I'm going to do today. And what else is happening? Yep, so last night I was browsing eBay and found a set of 10-inch weather wheels that I've always really wanted, so purchased them. So they should look pretty nice on the Mini once it's done. I will be selling the Sport Pack wheels, 13-inch wheels. I actually discovered that these are original. The wheels are a genuine Rover Sport Pack wheels. Don't know if they're hard to find or anything. I tried to find some on eBay to get a price comparison because I'm going to be selling them, but there was none available on eBay, so I'll stick them on at bids and see how much I get for them. Whatever I get will just go into the project, but I'm really looking forward to getting the 10-inch wheels on it. I think it will look amazing. I'm a big fan of the 10-inch wheels, so yep. Today I'm going to crack on and try and... I'll not be getting too much done today. It's quite late in the day already as it is. Trying to finish some of my Christmas shopping there, so I'll just weld the seams, maybe give the bulkhead a bit of a clean up with the wire wheel, and that'll be it for today. I'm going to finish up for the night. Been welding for quite a bit now, and I'm happy with what I've got done. So that's all the seams all welded for the full bulkhead. Still need to drill and tap this here, and I still need to grind all the welds smooth. Won't be grinding all of them smooth. I'm going to leave these ones here so that they've got maximum strength, but ones like this here, I'll tidy them up, the top of that, and I'll tidy in there up as well. Still need to weld that actually, just noticed that there. Yep, so finish up for the night, and what day is tomorrow? Saturday. Hopefully I can get a small amount done tomorrow, even if it's just coming in to grind the welds. Yep, so I'll just finish this up here and I'll check back in tomorrow.